Today for PWS, you are going to sort some words by the number of syllables that they have. First, you will read each word, then you'll clap the syllables, then you'll sort by the number of syllables, either 2, 3, or 4. And as you look at my chart here, I have a column just for 2 syllables, words with 2 syllables. I have a column for words with 3 syllables, and I have a column for words with 4 syllables. Check out this word apple. It has 2 syllables. I'm reading the word and now I'm going to clap the word. Apple. I know it has 2 syllables. Now I'm going to move on to this word piano and I'm going to check to make sure that it has 3 syllables. I read the word and now I'm going to clap the syllables. Piano. And now I'm going to look at this column and the word understanding, and now I'm going to clap to see if it has 4 syllables. Understanding. So I've already sorted a couple of words here, and let's look at this word multiply. I sorted the word under 3 syllables because if you read the word multiply and then clap the syllables multiply, it has 3 syllables just like that example word piano. Now, I have added slash marks or slash lines to show where the word would be broken by its syllables. So I wrote a slash here, multiply. So it has those 2 slashes because it's broken into 3 parts. Now let's look at the word kindergarten. I'm going to read the word kindergarten and then I'm going to clap the word to see if it has 4 syllables. Check my work. Kindergarten. So I drew 3 slash lines to show that it has 4 syllables, and these are the parts that it is broken into. So first you'll read the word. You'll sort the word onto the chart, and then you're going to add those slash lines, and that's something that you're going to have to do on a separate sheet of paper.